Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here, a quick tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully fix if Google Chrome is taking a very long time to start up, or perhaps it's not even really moving very quickly even if it opens up. So this should be hopefully a pretty quick tutorial and we're going to jump right into it. So while this isn't really a specific Google Chrome fix, I noticed that I've had quite a few comments about people asking about slow Google Chrome browsers in the past, so I thought I'd make a video about it today. So we're going to jump right into it, and we're going to start by opening up the start menu, and you want to type in command prompt. Best match should say command prompt. You want to right click on it and then proceed to left click on run as administrator. If you receive a user account control window, you want to select yes. So now into this elevated command line window, you want to type in ipconfig, all one word, space, /flush DNS. So again, ipconfig space /flush DNS. Then you want to hit enter. Should say successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. And at this point, you want to type in netsh space winsock space reset. So again, netsh space winsock space reset. Winsock is WINSOCK. Then you want to hit enter. And it should give you an output that says successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So I'd recommend heeding that advice. Close out of any open programs or applications you have still on your screen, and hopefully your issue has been resolved at this point. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I hope I helped you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.